The global pandemic struck the rest of the world, and the ferocity of its impact on healthcare and patients as epicenters have been extremely profound. The beginnings of telemedicine may have hung drastically from its inception, but with the advent of COVID-19, its ability to address the challenges of healthcare becomes glaringly clear. With technology advancing to exponential levels, the risks associated with face-to-face medical consultations, having to move from hospital to hospital in search for a bed availability, and even ventilators could be very well have been addressed by a simple app or system. A system capable of responding to the desperate need for medical assistance. Now, it has become evident that telemedicine can provide rapid, safe, and high-quality care remotely during this pandemic, the largest one since 1918. Now, perhaps one benefit of suffering through the COVID-19 pandemic will be the establishment of a new virtual medical world order, and that telemedicine has taken its deserving place in Earth, in healthcare, prime time, and center stage. Now, NTT Data, our solution for telemedicine, integrates and unifies the healthcare ecosystem. We utilize cognitive services and conversational artificial intelligence and chatbots to shorten the pathway to deliver care to patients. And the most obvious is to improve patient engagement. NTT Data, as part of the NTT Group of companies, is committed to making life better through technology and innovation. We just took smart up a notch. Our NTT Data Smart platform, first introduced as a solution in building smarter, more connected cities, was designed with flexibility in mind to deliver smart solutions across many industries. And these are the industries you're seeing now in the tech. Now, the powerful data engine in the NTT Data Smart platform allows the smart city of today to be the smart hospital, smart airport, right? Smart military base of tomorrow. Our platform can think and access multiple data sources. It can also perceive current conditions. It can plan, it can decide, and act on those conditions. It is even possible for our cognitive solution to learn from the consequences of its actions, while using past knowledge and to crystallize current and future decisions. IoT devices that we incorporate, empowering data-driven decisions to benefit our society, is at the forefront of the technology. Healthy and safe communities are happier communities, don't you think? So 2 years back, the city of Las Vegas wanted to improve their situational awareness and responsiveness to public safety issues. So they engaged NTT in partnership with top technology companies to deploy a smart edge network of optical sensors, sound sensors, IoT devices, and micro data centers to boost visibility and support better response decisions. We not only enable smart healthcare, but our smart cities solution improves public safety situational awareness, it accelerates decision making for LGUs and responsiveness, and builds the foundation for a far more connected, smarter city. Our analytics, and we do edge analytics by the way, provides actionable insights while reducing data storage needs. In addition to what we previously discussed, here are additional steps you might want to consider in starting your digital transformation journey. First, you need to find out the most glaring challenges, pain points, and start from there. Work towards looking at people, processes, and systems that make up your organization. You need to know your expectation or planned outcomes when your goal is realized. With all of these said, clarity, priority, and focus is king. Digital reinvention is happening at this very moment. The pandemic forced organizations and governments to accelerate change faster than any of us thought possible. However, we also realize that progress will not be sustainable unless organizations reinvent with the future in mind. Now is the time to pivot and make it happen. Experience and research show that organizations transform their operations with the use of technology are far more prepared and resilient than those that had not. Our partnership with Microsoft and our key strategic alliances prove that building meaningful coalition is essential for success. Well, it is our hope that you learned a thing or two from our session, and on behalf of NTT Data family, we thank you for your participation and contribution to society. Remember, don't just thrive, revolutionize. Stay safe and healthy, and have a great morning, everyone.